we have our fair share of mud on this literally all day rainy day. So our area here, we are gonna have to unfortunately put some sod down in the areas where we're getting too much runoff and erosion. But I am planning on planting everything in the back here with native plants. And under the tree here, we're gonna put a little sitting area where we can sit and babysit animals when they're running around. Beavers love mud. Mud is a very important part of a beaver's life. They use mud to fill in gaps of their lodges and their dams. They fill it with rocks. They push mud around. They love digging in mud. They love playing in mud. So even though this mud puddle looks disgusting and gross, this is actually a very fun thing for beavers. Now Tulip, I have purposefully kept her away from soil and mud ever since she contracted her illness last year. So she has not had a lot of time to play and practice pushing mud around. So giving her opportunities to interact with it so that she can get that experience. It was too risky after she contracted that bacteria. But she is enjoying running around in the rain and the mud today. What are y'all doing? Stormy didn't finish a sweet potato. Her loss is your gain. Coming? You gonna go play? Telling Sam and Frodo apart is getting harder, but Frodo is still, here you go buddy. Frodo is lighter colored and Sam is darker. It's really hard unless they're sitting side by side, and they are loving exploring in the tree. So Stormy actually took a couple bites of the yellow squash, but not a super fan, but she seemed to like the zucchini, so we can add zucchini. And then I did give her some leeks. She did not care for the leeks at all, so I'm gonna add some zucchini moving forward. So I pull out any old browse, any old food, load it up in a wheelbarrow, and then take it out to our burn pile is our current method. We're still fine-tuning how this will ultimately go. Thanks, Tulip. You're such a good helper. You're such a good helper. Thank you. All right, with Sam and Frodo side by side. Frodo is in the front, playing in the water stream, and Sam is in the back. Frodo is lighter than Sam. Frodo is really smart and bold and the leader, and Sam is pretty passive, pretty skittish, and just needs to be near Frodo. Yeah? Is that yummy? Oh, goodness. Hi. I don't have anything, butter. You already ate your sweet taters. You have. And all your treats. Stormy's dinner tonight: corn, kale, zucchini, avocado, sweet potato, fresh sprouts. She decided that on this super rainy day, she was just gonna stay inside and rest. She brought some magnolia leaves in, chewed up some bark. She is napping, but man, she looks good. You look good, honey. You see you peeking at me. There's your pretty eyeballs. All right, baby. I got your food. You stay cozy. We got this beauty in to rehab yesterday. It's a female Gulf Coast box turtle. Poor thing has just absolutely destroyed, damaged rear feet. The toes, all the toes have been cut off. And so we're just monitoring for bleeding and things like that. But he is eating fruits and vegetables. And so we'll hang on to her for a little while, make sure she heals up. I won't show you the graphic details, but she's tough. So I think her prognosis is good.